is paid $8.50 per hour, and she works 40 hours, and she makes 5% in commission on sales over $1,000. So her total earning, so let's let total earning per week, earning per week be Y, and let's let amount of sales over $1,000 be X, because it's fixed in terms of how much she works per week, right? So Y, the total earnings is going to depend on, right, X, but we multiply that by 0.05 plus her fixed income is 8.05 times by 40 hours. Okay, so we get that. So that's what we have to graph, right? So when it's 0, it's 322. So that's it. This is 322. The slope is 0.05, right? 0.05. So it's a very flat slope, okay? Something that looks like this, where the rise over run has to be 0.05. Okay, so just a rough sketch here. Write the equation in function notation. So then we say it's a function of X. We say the total earning is a function of X, where X represents the amount she earns over $1,000. Okay. And the inverse function will be simply we switch the X and Y after we isolate the X. Okay, so let's isolate for X, and we get Y minus 322. Okay, and then X will be 1 over 0, 0.05, Y minus 322 over 0.05. Okay, so we get that, which means if you now switch the X and Y, so this becomes your new Y, and the function of X, now this time the function of X, right, it was really dependent on the Y, and Y was the total earning. So the total it's really the inverse function is, you know, if you tell me how much you earn in total, I can tell you how much you earn in sales. Okay, so number of sales is the output, and that's 20. It's exactly this with X minus 400. Okay, and finally, write an expression in function notation that represents her sales if she earned $420 in 1 week. So that's exactly this. We got to use this function here. So if the sale is 420, the input is 420, right? So 20 times by 420 minus 400. This will tell us how much she made. This is a total earning, and this is gonna give us how much she made in sales. I think I said that backwards. Okay, and I get $8,000. So that's how much she made in sales.